Hi, this is Gundam Fanboy 27, and this is part 2 of the GN00 Gundam Fighting Action Kit review. We're back to putting on the head. Oh, it's on. That has really good movability, but I'll talk about that later. Okay? Now to put on the 2 GN drives. Well, yeah, you have to put these up first to make it a little easier to put them on. 2 little holes to insert it in. Right here. There we go. And then you pull it back down, pull this one back down, pull the head up, and then now it's time to connect the 2 bodies, the 2 body parts. There we go. This is the GN00 Gundam. Now, you might wonder how come a 1 out of 200 Gundam is so important to be put on a YouTube video. Well, it is. It's a really good Gundam for its price. I mean, usually most people get the 1 to 144s. That's a tad bit more expensive. This has really great movability for a Gundam its price, I think. I know most of my Gundam stuff from watching other reviews. It has really good distance in between its feet. Yeah, that's about as far as I can go. And then the shins can go all the way up like that. Big space right there. I don't really know why. And then the feet can go all the way in like that. All the way out. That high up. And not much back though. Oh, I hate this part right here. Connects the torso to the legs. Watch, it shakes really badly. It's pretty good though, but see, it shakes. I don't really like it because like when I'm trying to do a pose, it keeps on breaking. But that's okay. Now the arms. For this hand, it doesn't move much because it's not supposed to. But you can't pull it back either. But you can go like that. Whoops, I just pulled it out of its socket. Yeah, it can go up like flexing, like that, and go back. The arms can go pretty high, pretty far back, all the way up. But if you move the GN, oh whoops, the head. But if you move the GN drive, you can pull it all the way back. So yeah. With this hand, you can move it around like that, which is fine, perfect. The arm does the same thing. Man, I keep on breaking this.